Yo, what's up? This is Jared Tiller, once again ready to give you another six-pack exercise routine that you can perform in the comfort of your own home. Right now, I am in Florida in this beautiful day, all right? It's breezy, the sun is out, I'm at the park, and I feel good, all right? So since I feel good, I'm gonna make you feel good. I'm gonna show you 5 six-pack exercises that you can perform that really helps you to get six-pack abs, all right? So make sure you drink some water, make sure you pay attention, and let's get started. Alright, so the exercises that I'm about to show you is mostly just plank variations. I love to perform the plank because the plank exercise is one of the most effective exercises to get a six-pack. It targets all of your core muscles, talking about your obliques, your lower, your upper, and your lower back muscles, okay? I've been performing the plank for many years. It helped me to get the six-pack that you see here, and I'm gonna help you now, okay? So the first exercise that we're doing is just a plank. All right, so to perform the plank, you just extend your legs out and rest on your forearm like this. All right, make sure that you squeeze your glutes, squeeze your abs at the same time. All right, and just hold this for 20 seconds. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, good job, good job. All right, so the second exercise that we're going to do is still the plank, but with arm extensions, all right? So basically, just get up in the plank position again. And the goal here is to extend both arms like this, all right? Then starting with your left arm, come down on your forearm, and then your right arm come down too, okay? So you want to alternate each arm, basically. All right? So we're going to perform 10 reps of this exercise, all right? Let's get started. That's 1, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, good job. Good job. That last exercise works out your arms and also your core muscles, all right? So you get the both of best worlds, all right? All right, so the third exercise that we're doing is basically the side plank, all right? So starting with your left arm, just rest on your forearm like this. Extend your legs out just like this, and put your right hand on your hip. And you just want to once again squeeze your abs and squeeze your glutes at the same time. And just hold this position for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Raise this up, okay? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so we just did the left side, but when you perform this exercise, you have to perform it on each arm, the right and the left arm, okay? All right, so this is the fourth. So the fourth exercise that we're doing is still the side plank, all right? But we're going to perform a crunch in a way, okay? So basically, to perform this exercise, get up in the plank position once again, just like this, starting with your right or left side, it doesn't matter. And the goal here is that you want your elbow and knee to touch, just like this, okay? Just like that. Extend your arm and legs out, and then come in. And make sure that your knee and elbow touch, okay? So we're going to perform that exercise for 10 reps, okay? It's not going to be easy, but it's very effective, and you could do it. Trust me, you could do it, all right? I believe in you. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on. 5, halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, good job. Awesome job, okay? Well, now the last exercise, all right? The last exercise that we're going to do, all right, is basically a wide arm extended plank, all right? But the goal here is that you want to go out as wide as you could. This exercise is not gonna be easy. None of my exercises are easy, all right? But this is like the worst that I even hate doing, okay? But it's very effective. Like all of my exercises is very effective though, okay? So the goal here, once again, is to get up on all fours, all right? And you want to extend out as far as you could without falling down like that, okay? So come up and just go out as far as you could and hold this position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. So you should have felt that. I know I did. You could hold it for longer if you could, but if you could hold it for longer, that means that you need to extend out a little bit further, okay? All right, guys, so I really hope that you like my six-pack exercises that I just showed you. Make sure that for each exercise, you perform at least 3 sets, all right? And 10 reps for each exercise. So 3 sets of 10, all right? The more, the better, but don't overdo it, okay? Also, like always, if you want to get a six-pack and you're overweight, you have to make sure that you're eating less carbs and eating more protein, more fruits and vegetables. Carbs, in some cases, is not your best friend, all right? If you're overweight, then you don't need as many carbs because your body will be forced to burn the fat as fuel. But like a person like me that's not overweight, I need carbs, all right? Carbs is converted into energy for me in my case and people like me basically. But if you're overweight, make sure that you limit your carbs, all right? Make sure that you exercise at least 3 days a week, all right? Because I want you to get a six-pack. I've been reading my comments and there's a lot of people that's saying that they're expecting to get a six-pack very quickly from these six-pack exercise routines, but it don't work like that. Exercising is part of the equation, all right? The other half, you need to eat right, all right? So make sure that you're not eating too many carbs, too many starches, too many calories. Make sure you eat more protein, more fruits, more vegetables, and exercise at least 3 days a week, all right? All right, guys, well, I'm going to bring you some more videos soon. Make sure that you leave comments on this video because I'm always reading your comments and I appreciate your comments, all right? So I'll see you next time, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram too. It's Jared Teller. All right, guys, peace.